Angel was just tell Buster how she feels about it, that she doesn't like it. We can just be together. But she just won't tell him. So yeah, what are you talking about? Nothing? Nothing at all. What are you doing down here? Are you supposed to be with Buster and the gang? Well, you won't tell him. If you just tell him, all this would have happened, and you're just shy to tell him because he's bigger than you, and you don't. I just don't know how I feel about it. I gotta tell you. I know how you feel. What? I know how you feel. I tell him all the time. I tell him all the time. He doesn't listen. He's asking me about your girl. But he keeps saying, "This for you, girl. It's getting on my nerves. You can't just take it anymore." Wait a minute. You don't want to say that, don't you? But I do care. He just won't stop telling you. You have to tell him. Don't worry, I'll tell him for you. I promise. Thanks. So, I guess you're Buster's girl, huh? I'm not Buster's girl. I don't belong to anybody. I just told you why I didn't want him. But I already asking it. Well, how am I supposed to know that you are always, huh? Yeah. Run? Yeah, no, just don't. No.